Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will discuss with you regarding the writing subtest. When we get writing task, firstly we directly go to the at the last. Okay, so first read this. Use the information in the case note. Write a letter to Mrs. Margaret, head nurse at Dowell's Hospital, ground floor 111 to 117, Street, Surrey Hills, NSW 2010, requesting that a physiotherapist be sent to the patient house to help her with her recovery. So इसमें हमें लेटर जो है लिखनी किसको है, मिसिज मार्गरेट को, दैट इज द हेड नर्स, एंड दिस इज द एड्रेस. ये हमने पूरा का पूरा ऐसे ही उठाना है और सेम लिखना है इन एड्रेस. आई विल शो यू लेटर. एंड वेयर द कोमा इज मार्क टिल दैट वी हैव टू राइट इन अ वन लाइन. ओके, so here they are requesting regarding the physiotherapist to be sent in the patient house so that the patient will get a recovery soon. Okay, so this is the writing task. Now I will show you the address how to write like this. Mrs. Margaret, which I have read already. Here Mrs. Margaret, same here Mrs. Margaret. Then head nurse, so start with the head nurse. Next is Dowell Hospital, Dowell Hospital. Then comma is there. Then ground floor, ground floor. Then numbers or always be kept in mind, like here is number, so number will not be हम अकेला नहीं लिखते नंबर को कभी भी, with some other words like here Dover Street, then Surrey Hills, then NSW, that is New South Wales 2010. सो ऐसे एड्रेस लिखना है पूरा, जहां यहाँ कोमा आ रहा है वहां वहां हमने सेंटेंस स्टार्ट कर देना है और ऐसे लिखना है. ठीक है, दिस इज अ एड्रेस. Then next after address, date is there. So in final exam, we date is always given in the front of the paper, like here before notes. Okay, so but if for practice we can use like discharge date or last visit. Okay, so in this letter the last date is 25th July 2012, so 25th July 2012, and after that we have to write the salutation like dear Mrs. Margaret. So here Mrs. Margaret, we can write dear Mrs. Margaret. Okay, फिर comma. Okay, then regarding means with patient name. Okay, so patient name with age or date of birth. So in this letter name of the patient is Mrs. Natasha Dobby, and date of birth, here date of birth is mentioned, that is 2 August 1952. तो सेम हमने लिखनी है. ठीक है, now first is the purpose paragraph. So purpose paragraph is mainly based on the writing task. So here mainly in purpose paragraph, first point is I am writing this letter, means our introduction. In regards to Mrs. Dobby, that is patient name, then requirement, then diagnose, and after that we have to write like patient is discharged or any refer or any transfer. Okay, so in this case note, the purpose paragraph is like this: I am writing this letter in regard to Mrs. Dobby, comma, who requires continued physiotherapy. He has been diagnosed with the hip fracture and broken hip. Today, comma, she is being ready for discharge. Okay, so diagnosis mentioned in this case note, like here when patient is admitted and the diagnosis mentioned. Okay, hip fracture or broken hip. Next is first paragraph, that is the admission part. Okay, like this: on July 2012, here they written admission. So before admission patient has injured. Okay, so we have to mention that part also. On 6th July 2012, comma, Mrs. Dobby. हमें always use second name of the patient in writing. Had hip injury owing to tripped over a loose rag after 10 days. So to construct the word count or to minimize the word count, we can write like 16 जुलाई 2012। एक तो ये रेपिटेशन हो जाएगी वर्ड की और ये वर्ड काउंट बढ़ जाएगा। बट अगर हमने इसको छोटा करना है और वर्ड्स को कम करना है तो हम इसको लिखेंगे 6 में कितने 10 डेज। तो आफ्टर 10 डेज, ओके, शी वॉज एडमिटेड टू अ हॉस्पिटल विद द अफॉरमेंशन। तो अफॉरमेंशन इज द सिनोनिम like the diagnosis mentioned above. So this here we can use aforementioned diagnosis, diagnosed comma for which, for before for which comma is there and after also. Then she underwent surgery. So on 17th the patient went surgery. So like this the paragraph is will be made. Okay, next, after surgery we can use the word post operatively. Post operatively, like here they have mentioned on 18 July 2012 patient shifted to specialized geriatric orthopedic rehabilitation ward. Rehabilitation treatment initiated, offer mobilization like exercise to help promote strength and recovery. So for this we can construct the paragraph like this: post operatively comma she was shifted to geriatric orthopedic rehabilitation ward and started. So initiated then started, or we can also write commenced with rehabilitation treatment. The next subject is after 5 days on observation comma she showed significant sign of improvement semicolon, means patient is having improvement, that is positive point, but still she require extra care. So we can use like connector like however. Before however we can write semicolon, and after however we can give comma. Okay, so like this we can write this paragraph. And the last is a discharge paragraph. In this case the patient is discharged as admitted and as well as discharged. So last is here on 25th July 2012, that means discharge from hospital. Patient is discharged, but after discharge what requirement is needed for the patient? So we can construct the paragraph like this: following discharge it would be greatly appreciated if you could, and after could there is comma, send physiotherapist to their home in order to gain her mobility and assist her with walking. So this is the requirement of the patient. So we can write the discharge paragraph like this and use this phrase following discharge for discharge letter. Okay, and at the last we can write please feel free to contact us comma if you need any further information regarding Mrs. Dobby. So like this we can write the last paragraph, and at the last yours sincerely comma registered nurse. So here they have mentioned as qualified nurse, we can write here registered nurse. If they given us here charge nurse, we can write directly charge nurse at the end after yours sincerely. And we use yours sincerely because in this letter reader name is given. If reader name is given we can write yours sincerely. If reader name is not given we can write yours faithfully. Okay, is it clear? So I hope this letter is clear to you. So if you need any further information please do comment me. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you once again.